We're doing a thrift adventure in Pittsburgh. We have so many different thrift stores that we're going to check out. What is up, guys? Welcome back. Today we are doing a thrifting marathon and we're actually out of town. We're doing a thrift adventure in Pittsburgh. We have so many different thrift stores that we're going to check out. Bohem thrift store, red, white, and blue, Goodwill, and so many other really nice local gems. And I can't wait to see what kind of treasures we can find here. Not only that, it's not just me. I have a special guest. Joni's here. She's gonna join us on our thrifting adventure. She's gonna help me with mine, and then I'm gonna do a thrifting scavenger hunt video for her channel. If you guys don't know, this is Joni. She has her own channel called Joni's World. She does all kind of fun videos on there. So if you have any kids in your life, make sure they check out Joni's World. You ready to go check out the first store?
Yep.
We are going to Bohem, which is Lawrenceville area in Pittsburgh. I saw some really nice reviews about the store online. It looks like they have quite a bit of clothes, but I do want to check out and see what kind of cool furniture and decor we can find. It's 11/11, so maybe that's a good sign that it's going to be a good thrifting day. Let's get going. This store is really cool. Oh, I like this tray. This is nice. Ivory brass mirror tray. I have a lot of really cool vintage clothes in here. Like so many. There's so many good stuff. I don't even know where to start.
It is a treasure trove.
I love it.
The more you look, the more appears.
Yeah. Oh, this is cute. Johnny, do you like this dress? No?
It's too brown.
I like it.
I like the necklace and guys, tell me if one of your kids are crazy.
Looks like Simba
Yeah, that does look like Simba.
and Nala.
Yeah.
I really want some like vintage, thick, chunky rings, and I found some right here. It's like not really necessarily what I was going for. I don't know if I could show you. Here, let me turn the camera around. That store was so cute. They had so many really cool things in there. They were pretty clothes heavy, but if you guys want to check it out, it's definitely worth exploring for sure. They also had a lot of really nice jewelry and purses. What did you think, Joni?
So it was really good, but I didn't like some of the clothes. So, yeah.
Okay. All right, saw a really colorful store down the block, so we're gonna go walk and check that one out before we head to the next thrift store.
Yeah. And here we are.
All right, guys, so we just got to the second location. This is not necessarily a thrift store, it's more of a boutique, but when I saw it online, I was like, I absolutely have to go here because the stuff was so nice, and it gives me like mid-century modern vibes, which is right up my alley. So let's go and see if we can find the shop. Literally in furniture heaven in here. It's so nice. This beautiful green sofa. I love this. Super comfortable too. This is so nice, Joni. You guys, this painting is so beautiful. How much is it though? This is, oh my God, $5,400. Well, that's way over our budget. How cute is it though? So in here they have a mix of vintage and brand new items. They also have a lot of amazing art, you guys, and a lot of the artists are actually local. She even has some artists from New York. So if you are an art collector, this is a perfect place to check out. All right, guys, so now we're on our way to the next store. That store, literally, my heart was just melting every 5 minutes. The stuff was so cute. It is on the more pricey end, but if you do have a higher budget, it's definitely worth checking out. I ended up getting a bottle opener because I've been collecting bottle openers. They actually have a collection of like vintage and newer items. It's called Brenda Friday Design, and it's on Butler Street in Lawrenceville, Pittsburgh. We're going to the next shop. All right, guys, so we just got to Red, White, and Blue Thrift, and I'm so excited about this store because it is flipping huge. It's so big in there, and I just know we're gonna find something. So I'm gonna be filming for my video while also filming for Joni's channel, Joni's World. So we're gonna be doing a scavenger hunt on Joni's channel, and I'm just gonna be showing you some cool things on my channel. So if you want to see the scavenger hunt thrift video, go check it out on Joni's channel. We're gonna have some extra behind the scenes stuff on her channel that I won't have on mine. Okay, so let's go in and see what we can find.
my gosh, oh my gosh, it's pulling me down, guys. Stop it, car. I don't want to crash into stuff.
All right, guys, so I dropped off little Johnny and I'm here at our third store. By the way, make sure you go check out the scavenger hunt video on her channel. I know she's really excited about it. And I'm not going to tell you who won. Just check out the video so you can see. Anyway, I'm here at one more thrift store at the Goodwill. I'm going to see if there's anything noteworthy in here, and then we're going to wrap up the vlog. So let's go in and see what we can find. Let's go inside. Oh, it looks like all the furniture is in the back and off to the side, so we can just head straight back there. Let's see if Pittsburgh Goodwill is different than Kalamazoo Goodwill. So far, it's looking like it's the same. All right. Back roller. I know, it's probably got somebody's back skin on it. It's a cute little box for jewelry or something. I like adding something a little rustic to something a little more polished. Makes your space feel balanced. So this would fall into rustic, but if you put it on something like brand new, it makes your space look collected and intentional. This is cute if you have like a little girl's room or something. How much is this? $7.45. Here's like a matching set. I'm not a fan. This looks really outdated to me. When I'm thrifting, I like to find like classic pieces, so old pieces that are good throughout time. Oh, these are cute. Little vintage. They're giving me 90s with the silver chrome on the top. Guess how much? Put it in the comments. I'll give you 5 seconds. $1.35. Little Parisian style. This is like a cute little tray to style on your dresser or something. Alright guys, so that is it for our thrifting marathon in Pittsburgh. There was some pretty cool stuff, but I mean, a Goodwill typically is a Goodwill. It's not too different from city to city, but I was able to find some pretty unique things, and I really loved all the stuff at Brenda Friday Design, and I ended up getting a bottle opener there. So pretty successful trip. If you're in the Pittsburgh area, make sure you check out some of the stores that I went to today, and I'll also make sure to put some others that I didn't get to in the description box below. Anyways, I love you all so much, and I'll see you next weekend. Bye.